Good afternoon. I am Shivakumar from Assistant from Mechanical Department, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. So here we should know about the refrigeration. Refrigeration is nothing but that is process. Refrigeration is nothing but process. That is vapor compression refrigeration process our topic. Under this topic we should have, first of all we should have the refrigeration process. Refrigeration is nothing but it's a process of removable heat, where you want to remove the heat, where you want to cool atmosphere, we want to inside the system from a substance at a temperature lower than surroundings with the aid of external work. Here the external work is nothing but compressor is the external device. So in another way, vapor absorption system wise, we have to one of the thing is vapor absorption system. That is, instead of compressor we can provide generator, heat generator, utilizing thing. In next topic we have to vapor absorption system. That time I will explain it what the thing about the vapor absorption system. Before that, in this topic wise, refrigeration process is the common term for the process to get cooled energy, okay, with external assessment. As per thermodynamics law wise, we have to deal here. One of the thing, Clausius statement and Kelvin statement is involved in this particular area. Okay. And another thing, in a refrigeration system, the rate at which the heat is absorbed in a cycle from the interior space to cooled is called refrigeration effect. In particular, says the freezer box is the cooling effect area zone, that is the refrigeration effect here. That is our ultimate aim, to utilizing the refrigerator machine for the process of refrigeration and yielding the cooling effect in particular portion of the freezer box. Here the freezer box, instead of freezer box we have to absorb, that is the evaporator. We will see in element wise, we will discuss in coming slides. Next slide. So here there are, in a refrigerator the medium is called refrigerant. Here supposed to utilizing the substance of refrigerant. That function is continuously extract the heat from the refrigerator, which is to be kept cool at temperature less than atmosphere, finally reject to it. The refrigerant acts as a heat exchange medium, that is substance. Another ways we can say the medium. In example wise, LPG gas also one of the refrigerant. In ammonia, freon gas, methane, methylene chloride, and carbon dioxide, isobutane, something we can utilizing of depends upon the refrigerant, has some property of character will be there, which one is not creating hazardous thing to environmental. It should be under the eco-friendly manner, then only you can introduce, we can suggest the refrigerant, depends upon the gases eco-friendly manner. Okay, so already we have finished what's the meaning of refrigerator is machine, and refrigerant is the medium, and refrigeration is the process is where they are getting the cooled energy. Okay, from with the help of external assessment we are yielding the cooling energy. It may be external assessment is nothing but here compressor is working, depends upon the electrical current consuming. So these are the concept, energy transfer from one mode to another mode. These are the basic concept about the from the thermodynamics law. Okay, so another thing is, in refrigeration process we should say that turn off refrigeration. If you fix the air conditioning, AC and all, everything before fixing the air conditioning and all, in the engineering side they may ask how much ton of refrigeration you want, something like this. Here ton of refrigeration is nothing but the quantity of the heat absorbed in order to form of 1 ton of ice. We are creating 1 ton of ice in hours wise 24 hours when the initial temperature of the water is from 0 degree. So that is the unit of refrigeration. Here we can say the ton of refrigeration, that is one. In the equation side we have to ton of refrigeration equal to in kilojoules wise 210 kilojoules per minute. If you want to joules per second is watts, so if you want say that kilowatt 3.5 kilowatt, something we can say that. This is a standard unit for 1 ton. Ice making capacity is the capacity of refrigerating system to make ice beginning from water to solid. SI units the ice making capacity in kilogram per hour. These are the unit for the refrigeration side. So here COP already I taught you. COP different, it entirely different from the heat engine. Here the refrigeration system is the reversed heat engine. So the concept wise we have to COP refrigerator equal to desired effect, that is the cooling effect, divided by work done is the nothing but the whatever you have the given is given by the input of with help of compressor. So here the extract of heat Q2 by Q difference between Q1 and Q2, that is the formula for find out the COP. Basic concept this is for the explanation about the COP. So refrigerator wise we have to reversed heat engine, already I taught you. So here wherever you have the work input, that is a negative sign. The system has to work input. If you compare with the heat engine side, supposed to we have to source of source of heat energy from is getting from the source. In between that sink and source you have to system of the engine, heat engine, that is the output of the reaction will be heat output is there, but thing is that is called a heat engine. But reverse manner, heat input is there, the direction of the heat flow is entirely different from the heat engine. So sink to the heat is traveling from sink to source because of work input is there. What's the meaning of in this particular case of heat input? That is nothing but compressor work, that is all. So heat absorbed from the sink, that is Q2. Another thing is heat rejected to source. So it's a naturally it's not happening. So it's an abnormal process, but we can yield it this kind of process with the help of external assessment of heat work input. That is our concept. This is a reverse heat engine. So another thing is this called refrigerator process. Okay, fine. Next one. So here the parts of the refrigerator. Parts of the refrigerator wise, we have to evaporator will be there, compressor, and condenser and expansion valve. It is ECCE we can say. So refrigeration system majorly to divide is that the main types of that that is vapor compression, already I taught you, and vapor absorption refrigeration system. Yeah, this is the vapor compression refrigeration. It's a circuit for working principle of the refrigeration process. First of all, the yellow color of element is called a compressor. Second one is condenser will be there, and expansion valve or throat valve we can say that. Expansion device is there, and evaporator will be there. The four important element is that first of all our refrigeration effect state 1 to 2, that is our evaporator in technical term. In domestic refrigerator wise you have to coil of freezer box area is the evaporator box. Actually technically we can say the evaporator box is nothing but freezer box. Condenser, if you see the domestic refrigerator, behind of the refrigerator you have to on some zigzag coil will be there, inbuilt of zigzag coil. It we can sense the heat from system to surroundings. So that is the condenser. The both condenser and the evaporator both are heat exchanger. Technically we can say heat exchanger. What's a heat exchanger? Here acting of latent heat is there, that is nothing but phase change only happening here. So the temperature remain always constant. So our concept wise, the state 3 to 4 wise high pressure zone, and 1 to state 2 wise low pressure zone. So high pressure zone mean compressor is acting like human body heart. It's pumping, heart is pumping the blood. The same way compressor is pumping the refrigerant. So the refrigerant passing through the condenser. Before entering the condenser, the refrigerant of the state is gas form, highly heated and high pressure is there. That gas form is passing through the condenser. Already I taught you the condenser is nothing but heat exchanger. So here the heat is extract from system to surroundings, so that the heat is range is reduced. The refrigerant it will be cooled, so that the liquid character of phase change is happening. Phase change is happening from gas to liquid. So the at 4 state, state 4 is passing through that. This anti-clockwise direction passing traveling is there. So here the 4 state is high pressure liquid is there. That high pressure liquid and high heat and high pressure liquid is there. That high pressure, due to high pressure, the expansion valve, the crossing the expansion valve suddenly dropped out, the cooling effect. So the heat is suddenly reduced because of, after crossing the expansion valve, the pressure is suddenly reduced. Due to the pressure difference, low pressure is acting on the particular case. Due to the low pressure side, we have to chillness is creating. That chillness of the pink color, and that is the state 1. That state 1 entering the evaporator. So the freezing effect of cooling effect is passing through the evaporator. It may be minus degree, minus, it may be -2, -3, -5, -14, something, crossing the evaporator, depends upon the capacity of the compressor and system. So after that, inside the evaporator coil we have to keep some fruits or vegetables inside the freezer box. It may be ice cube, something. So it has certain heat. That heat is absorbed by this refrigerant. So heat is transferring. Here also evaporator is acting like a heat exchanger. So that somewhat vapor form of refrigerant, in the particular case of evaporator, it will change to and again gas. So inlet of the compressor and outlet of the compressor both are gas format only. That is a state of gas, that's all. So remaining thing, it may be liquid and vapor and all. Okay, so these are the working principle. One cycle is over after reaching that compressor. So here indicate the evaporator is a low pressure liquid refrigerant. In evaporator, absorb the heat changes to gas. This is a superheated vapor. The slides is talking about the compressor. Superheated vapor enters the compressor where it is pressure is raised. This is high pressure. Is talking about condenser. The high pressure superheated gas is cooled in several stages in the condenser. This is the expansion valve. Liquid passes through the expansion valve or otherwise throttle valve, which reduce the its pressure and control the temperature as well. So here the advantages and disadvantages about the vapor compressor. The maturity of technology and very less running cost, consume the current is very less. Smaller size, the compact size, and COP is very high. So these are the very excellent advantages point of thing. HCFC refrigerant disadvantages side, we can say the ozone layer, it will affect. Initial cost of the thing, refrigerator is high. leakage prevention is somewhat complex. These are the points relevant of advantages and disadvantages of vapor compression and refrigeration. Thank you.